As of March 2023, over 100 million users have interacted with ChatGPT on a daily basis, making it one of the fastest-growing AI technologies in history. But what's even more astonishing is that this platform has already started to revolutionize the way we work, learn, and communicate. In fact, according to a recent report by Gartner Research, ChatGPT is predicted to disrupt over 30% of businesses across various industries within the next 2 years. One of the most surprising use cases for ChatGPT involves its application in customer service. For instance, the company GoDaddy has successfully integrated ChatGPT into their customer support platform, resulting in a staggering 25% reduction in resolution time for complex queries. What's more, this AI-powered chatbot has also increased customer satisfaction ratings by 15%. But what makes ChatGPT so effective is its ability to learn from user interactions and adapt to new scenarios, essentially making it an expert in conversational knowledge. Another area where ChatGPT is having a profound impact is education. Researchers at the University of California, Berkeley, have been experimenting with using ChatGPT as a virtual teaching assistant for students with learning disabilities. The results are nothing short of remarkable. Students who used ChatGPT reported a 30% increase in comprehension and retention rates compared to those who didn't. But what's truly groundbreaking is that ChatGPT can also be fine-tuned to accommodate the unique needs of individual learners, making it an invaluable resource for educators. As we explore these 5 game-changing use cases today, you'll see firsthand how ChatGPT is not just a tool, but a catalyst for innovation and progress. From transforming industries to redefining what's possible in education, this technology has the potential to disrupt our world in ways both subtle and profound. So, let's dive in and uncover the secrets of ChatGPT together, and discover why it's being hailed as one of the most significant advancements in AI history. As we dive into the world of ChatGPT, it's essential to understand its significance in today's digital landscape. Developed by OpenAI, a leading AI research organization founded by Elon Musk, Sam Altman, and Greg Brockman, this cutting-edge language model has been making waves since its release in November 2022. With over 100 million users worldwide, ChatGPT has become the fastest-growing conversational AI platform ever created. One fascinating aspect of ChatGPT is its ability to engage in human-like conversations, answer complex questions, and even demonstrate creative writing skills. But what makes it truly remarkable is its capacity for continuous learning and improvement. Unlike traditional language models, which are trained on static datasets, ChatGPT's architecture allows it to adapt to new information and update its knowledge base in real time. According to a study published by OpenAI, ChatGPT's conversational flow can be attributed to its sophisticated training data, which includes over 30 million books, articles, and websites. This vast repository of knowledge enables the model to respond accurately and coherently to an astonishing array of topics, from science and history to entertainment and culture. The impact of ChatGPT extends far beyond the realm of language processing. Its applications are diverse and multifaceted, spanning industries such as customer service, education, healthcare, and more. In fact, a recent survey by Gartner predicts that 25% of all customer service interactions will be handled by AI-powered chatbots like ChatGPT within the next 2 years. As we explore the game-changing use cases for ChatGPT, you'll discover how this revolutionary technology is poised to transform industries and revolutionize the way we interact with information. With its unparalleled capabilities and vast potential, it's no wonder that ChatGPT has captured the imagination of developers, entrepreneurs, and individuals around the world. As we delve deeper into the world of ChatGPT, it's essential to understand the key developments that have propelled this technology to unprecedented heights. According to a report by OpenAI, the company behind ChatGPT, the model has achieved an impressive milestone. It can now respond to over 50% of user queries correctly, without being explicitly programmed to handle them. This significant breakthrough is attributed to the model's ability to learn from vast amounts of data and adapt to new topics and styles. In fact, ChatGPT has been trained on a massive dataset of 45 terabytes, comprising over 500 million parameters. For context, this is roughly equivalent to the entire text of Wikipedia, which comprises around 40 million articles. One notable evidence of ChatGPT's capabilities is its ability to engage in conversations that are both informative and entertaining. A recent test conducted by OpenAI revealed that the model can maintain a conversation for an astonishing 10 minutes without repeating itself or deviating from the topic. This level of coherence is made possible by the model's advanced natural language processing (NLP) capabilities, which enable it to recognize subtle cues and adapt its response accordingly. Another crucial aspect of ChatGPT is its ability to understand context and nuances of human communication. A study published in the journal AR14 demonstrated that the model can detect sarcasm, irony, and idioms with an impressive accuracy rate of 90%. This level of understanding is essential for developing AI systems that can interact with humans seamlessly. The evidence is clear: ChatGPT has made tremendous strides in recent times. Its ability to learn from vast amounts of data, engage in coherent conversations, and understand human nuances sets it apart from other language models. As we explore the game-changing use cases of this technology, you'll see firsthand how ChatGPT can transform industries, revolutionize communication, and redefine the boundaries of artificial intelligence. As we've explored the 5 game-changing use cases for ChatGPT, it's clear that this technology is poised to disrupt numerous industries and transform the way we work and interact. But let's dive deeper into the implications of these use cases and examine how they'll impact real-world scenarios. One area where ChatGPT has the potential to make a significant impact is in the field of education. With its ability to generate human-like responses, it can be used as a virtual teaching assistant or even a personal tutor for students. According to a recent study by Gartner, AI-powered tutoring systems like ChatGPT have been shown to improve student outcomes by up to 25% in math and science subjects. Another significant application of ChatGPT lies in the realm of customer service. Companies are increasingly looking for ways to provide 24/7 support to their customers without sacrificing quality or consistency. ChatGPT's ability to learn from conversations and adapt to different user queries makes it an ideal solution for this problem. In fact, a recent survey by Forrester found that AI-powered chatbots like ChatGPT can reduce customer service costs by up to 30% while improving resolution rates by as much as 25%. But what about the potential consequences of widespread adoption? Some experts have raised concerns about the job displacement caused by automation and AI. While it's true that some jobs may become redundant, others will be created to manage and maintain these systems. According to a report by McKinsey, up to 140 million jobs could change in nature due to automation by 2025. The other aspect worth considering is data security and the potential risks associated with relying on AI-powered chatbots like ChatGPT. As with any technology, there's always a risk of data breaches or misuse. However, companies are already taking steps to mitigate these risks through robust data protection policies and regular security audits. As we delve deeper into the world of ChatGPT, it's becoming increasingly clear that its potential far surpasses what was initially thought possible. In fact, a recent report by McKinsey & Company suggests that ChatGPT could lead to significant productivity gains and cost savings across various industries, with some sectors experiencing up to 30% increases in efficiency. One of the most significant implications of this technology is its ability to augment human capabilities, freeing us from mundane tasks and allowing us to focus on higher-level thinking. But what exactly does that mean for individuals and organizations? To answer this question, we need to explore a specific use case: education. Imagine being able to create personalized learning experiences for students with varying skill levels and learning styles. That's precisely what a team of researchers from Stanford University achieved using ChatGPT, developing an adaptive learning platform that tailored its responses to individual student needs. The results were staggering. Students who used the platform showed a 25% increase in test scores compared to those who didn't. But what about industries where data analysis is a core function? ChatGPT's language processing capabilities make it an ideal tool for generating insights from large datasets, automating tasks that would otherwise require hours of manual processing. For instance, a team of financial analysts used ChatGPT to analyze market trends and identify potential investment opportunities, resulting in a 20% increase in returns. As we continue to unlock the secrets of ChatGPT, it's becoming increasingly evident that its applications extend far beyond what was initially envisioned. As we conclude our journey into the world of ChatGPT, I'm thrilled to report that the use cases we've explored today are more than just theoretical concepts. They're